What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be talking about the Tesla 5-to-1 split and what I'm going to be doing in the next 2 weeks. If you don't know me, my name is Gifford, and in these videos I document my stock market journey and share what I've learned along the way. Please hit that like button on the video. As a new channel, it helps me out tremendously to make these videos, and feel free to subscribe if you're interested in my investing journey or investing in general. With that said, let's get on with the video. So just real quick, format of the video: part 1, we're going to look at a portfolio review and also have a look at my one Tesla stock. Part 2, the 5-to-1 stock split news. And part 3, the market reaction. And finally, part 4, my final thoughts and what I'm going to be doing in the next 2 weeks. So here is my portfolio, couple of big news. First of all, it's the first time that all the 3 portfolios have actually been green. So this is my Investnow, my Hatch account, and my Sharesies. And as we can see here, we've finally hit the 10,000 mark and we've gone up to 10,500. So down here we can see my single Tesla stock. So when I purchased it, I've got an average cost of $1,595. It's now currently up $247. So that's up 15% over the weekend, which is huge. So Tesla stock is the second highest in my Hatch portfolio behind Neo stock, which I just released a video for recently. Pre-market as of 18th of August. It's at 1,885, which is just ridiculous. So part 2, I heard about the Tesla stock split through a YouTube notification, and then that's when I looked it up on Google. So as we can see here, Tesla recently announced a 5-to-1 stock split. The stock split takes effect of August 31st for each shareholder on the record on August 21st. So after seeing this, just to confirm it, I immediately go onto the official website just to make sure it's legitimate. Under the investors page, we can see that it is official, that they're saying that there is 5-to-1 stock split. And it says here, each stockholder on record on August 21st will receive a dividend of 4 additional shares. So you probably already know what a stock split is, but let's just go over it quickly for those that don't. A stock split should not be the primary reason for buying a company's stock. While there are some psychological reasons why companies split their stock, it doesn't change any of the business fundamentals. Remember, the stock split has no effect on the company's worth as measured by its market cap. So fundamentally, nothing changes, but psychologically, it now makes the stock look cheaper to everyone else. And from what I've read, basically, even though nothing changes, it drives the stock price up in the short term. And part 3, having a look at the market reaction, and this is nothing short of ridiculous. As we can see here, when it was announced on the 11th of August, the stock split happened, the price was at $1,400, and we can see that it's gone up in the last 5 days, where it's up to now a 33% increase, up to $1,835. So just to give you a bit of a perspective of how crazy this price rise is of 30%, if we go here to the 5-year graph, we can see that in 2017 up to 2019 in September, it only went up 5% in those 3 years. And here in the 1-year graph, we can see that it's gone up by 700%. So usually when an announcement comes out, the share price doesn't go up because it's already priced in. But in this case, Tesla's caught everyone by surprise by announcing the stock split, which has then surged the stock. So from what I'm thinking, I don't think that everyone expected this to happen so early, and this is why we see this big rise. So part 4, my final thoughts and what I'm going to be doing in the next 2 weeks. So as of right now, I'm not going to be buying it all at all-time highs, but what I'm going to be looking for all week is waiting for a pullback to maybe $1,600, and then I'll be willing to buy then. So on the New Zealand platform I'm using, I can't set a limit buy because you need to buy 1 full share at a time. So I don't think I have enough money for that. So what I'm going to be doing is looking for the pullback at $1,600 and then placing a market buy. Just making sure it is at that low range because I'm only going to be able to afford a fractional share before the end date, which is the 21st of August. So if the price continues to stay high up until the 21st of August, I'm just going to have to wait till the split is actually finished and all the hype dies down with the stock. So I don't mind waiting after the stock split, because having a look at the study that I found here on the internet, which is about 12 pages long, states that a stock split will raise the price, but after a set period of time, after the split and hype, it will most likely come back down to expected levels. So for me, I will keep saving my money and wait for a better entry point, and the 1 stock I'll have now will turn into 5 stocks after the date. So that is enough for me. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. May the gains be with you, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.